and welcome back to another video. As you saw from the title, we are going to basically be doing my at-home workout routine. And just so we can make this quick, and this isn't a long intro, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And basically, my home workout routine, or my low equipment workout routine, or my no gym workout routine usually consists of me going for a run first, whether that is a 30-minute, 45-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour run, and then I come back and I do a little bit of free weights, and then stretches, and then a little bit of body weight workouts, whether that be abs, just core in general, legs, and so forth. So let's get straight into this video. All the slope, it's so high, literally struggling to get up this hill because it's all the way down there. I ran up half, but now I'm like, try finish walking it off and try to, you know what, I'm gonna try to do the statue up. Y'all see that? Even though when you flex it, still just chub. Okay, so I ran 1.2 miles. Oh, this lighting is garbagio right there. But yeah, so first thing I do is drink some water. I wonder if y'all can hear like like I can tuck it in, but okay, now it's time to go get into the full body workout that we have planned for today. First thing you have to do is set up the workout. Okay, y'all, so basically the workout plan for today is kind of like this. We're going to do hip thrust pulses. Then we're going to do a full body exercise, which is the squats, and then arm, I don't remember what it's called, like arm ups or something like that. Not bad. See that? Ooh. Anyway. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do RDLs, and then I might add a little, I might do RDLs and squats, or I might add an extra arm exercise in there because I have like 2 leg exercises on a full body day, so we should do probably more than that. But let's get straight into the workout. 3 sets of 10. So 30. If not, then we will reevaluate. Okay, so now we're going to get into the whole full body squat. Wow. Our weights here. So I decided to do that extra arm workout because I think my arms need it. So let's get into it. 3 sets of 10 or 12, depending on where you at. I'd say 3 sets of 10, doing as much as you can. Okay, so quick, just drop in. So basically what I usually do before I do my RDLs is I just practice without the weights, and sometimes I just do a whole set without the weights just to make sure my form is good and that I can feel it in my hamstrings, because a lot of times I can't, especially when I'm not vigilant and watching like how my feet are placed, where the weights are, and how far up like my knee I'm going. So I'm just going to recommend that you be vigilant about that, because that's just how I've always noticed, like the next day my hammies were really worked out. Okay, we're officially done with the leg/arm part of this workout. Ooh. It's officially time to hit the mat. Okay, y'all, so it is officially time to get on the mat. After we did all those exercises, we need to work on right there, this ab workout right here. So let's do that. Okay, so basically some information on my ab workout. I usually start off with sit-ups until I can't do them anymore. Usually that is about like 35, and then I would just redo it for 2 sets. So then I would do usually dead bugs or planks or bicycles, and then I would kind of go into a stretch. So basically that's what you're gonna see right now, and usually it's always until I can't do it anymore, because I usually like just brace my limit like that. But you can do them timed, like you can do them for 30 seconds, 45 seconds, or you can do them based on, you know, your limit. You can say like, I'm gonna do 30 or 2 sets of 30 sit-ups or 2 sets of 15 sit-ups, like whatever is best for you, I suggest that you do. And if you all want a more detailed look at what my workouts look like, let me know and I can film that video for you. But basically I do all of my workouts solely and crafted for me. So I suggest when you do these workouts, you do workouts for you, you improve them based on your standards, but you also choose workouts that you know always work best for you, because exercising isn't a one size fit all for everybody. Just don't forget to stretch after you do whatever exercise that you do, so you could get all of that acid out, because let me just tell you, my legs, absolutely sore. Okay, so here is my dinner, not my dinner, my lunch after a workout. Sweet potatoes, chicken, and then a full salad. One half is coleslaw, the other half is cauliflower, mushrooms, and arugula on top. And then for an extra, you know, little treat, I have cheesecake on the side, and then I'll have Coca-Cola as my drink. But the good thing about like this and working out and then doing it at whatever time, if you can do it in the morning, then have a heavy breakfast. If you can do it at lunch, have a heavy lunch. But me, I don't have a heavy dinner at all. Like sometimes my dinner is just a banana, especially after eating like this much, which people might not even view this as much. So do what's best for you, but this is kind of what I do. And then like I said, I was gonna get a Coca-Cola, but that's just my regular day drink. But thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped. Just to preface this, if this is like, if you're looking to be strong, then this is not the channel for you. Unless you want to watch vlogs, then it is. But if you are looking just to, you know, try to find a balance in your life of where you're healthy and, you know, not healthy, everything in moderation, you know, when you're trying to work and trying to figure out like, oh, how much should I eat, this, that, and next, and this is the channel for you. In terms of biometrics or whatever, I'll put those down in the description box so that y'all can kind of see. I don't know how much I weigh because I don't look at the scale anymore. I used to a lot and tried to get down to a certain amount, but then it was very unhealthy for me. So I am just eating, watching my body. I look at my body every day so I can see when I have differences, not look at the scale. Does that make sense? If you have any questions or want more information on, you know, me gymming, at home workouts, anything else, just let me know and I can do that for you. Bye.